Hey guys, it's Mike, Susan, and Christina. We're here in Sequoia. We're doing the General Sherman Trail. Having fun, Susan?
Yes.
Really smoky today. We have 3 fires burning around us right now. It's only a half-mile hike to the tree. And we're almost there. Ooh, I can see it in the distance. Having fun, Susan?
Yeah.
The drive was a little long. Took us, what, about 6 hours?
Took us about almost 7.
Almost 7 hours to get here.
Because
of all the road closures and detours. Hoping to see a bear. Oh, wait, I see a bear. Look, bear. Rawr.
Well, I'm bear bait.
So guys, that was the General Sherman Tree. That it's 103 feet around, 2,200 years old, and I can't remember.
Largest in volume.
Largest in volume, but not the biggest. They have taller trees here. That's just one, most volume. Pretty cool place. The smoke's starting to get a little thick, and we're going to try the Congress Trail. Okay guys, we're off on the Congress Trail. See all the smoke from the fires. Christine and Susan have gone back to the car. Susan's not feeling too good. The smoke's pretty thick. It's a pretty easy trail. It's all asphalt. But it's nice. Get to see the big trees. It'd be nice if there's no smoke. Look at the fire damage on this one. It's really weird. It's almost completely gutted. And look, there's like almost nothing holding it up. It's amazing how strong these trees are. Wow. These trees are just amazing. I mean, look how big this guy is. He's huge. Still no bears. Or Bigfoot. Hey guys, I'm at the President's Tree. Another huge tree. Check this out. It's pretty cool. Okay guys, here's the house. This is interesting. The tree just fell across the trail. They just left it, cut a big hole in it. I was hoping I'd be able to see them, but the fire planes are flying over. They're up in the smoke. So you can tell it's pretty smoky here. Almost done with the Congress Trail. Last little hill's a butt kicker. But check it out. Future giants. Okay guys, that was the Congress Trail here in Sequoia. Pretty nice. A little smoky. It's hard to breathe. But it's a nice little hike if you're ever in this area. It's only like 2 miles. And family friendly. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Okay guys, here you can see all the smoke. It's really bad. We're right here at the entrance to Sequoia. They have the road closed, but the smoke and the smell here is really bad. Don't see any fire, but it's bad. It's really bad.